Hey Katie.
Hey Shyla.
I injured my thumb, I think playing volleyball or basketball or something. I'm not really sure, but I need you to make me something. Got any ideas?
I do. We'll use your new relief blend.
Okay.
And we'll make a roll-on with it.
Roll on. Roll on.
That way, you got on-the-go pain relief.
Perfect. How do I make it?
So you'll add 8 drops of the Relief Essential Oil into here.
Okay.
And then we'll fill it up the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. But you can use any carrier oil.
Okay. Done.
All right, let's get some carrier oil in here. And you'll fill it up the rest of the way to dilute it.
Ta-da.
And then we'll put the roll-on top on it and then
Okay.
give it a swirl.
Shake, 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 shake your oil.
Now add it to your thumb. Now how's it feel?
Feels a little better.
So this new and improved blend will be soothing and cooling. It'll help fight inflammation and it can even help reduce the feelings of pain. And don't forget to add a label.
I'm Shyla
And I'm Katie.
from Simply Earth, and we're certified aromatherapists, and we love making recipes just like this for you to make your home more natural and toxin-free. Ah!
And there you have it, Relief Roll-On. For more recipes like this one,
Go to simplyearth.com and check out our blog.
and don't forget to check out our recipe box where you can get everything you need to make this recipe and more.
See you later.